Working with smartphones begins here. Hello everybody and welcome to PhonLab. My name is MJ Nail. I'm the creator and founder. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to walk you through our smartphone tech courses. Okay, so here we are at the main page here. We do have 4 courses here at PhonLab. We have Smartphone Tech or E-Campus, and you can become a certified smartphone software tech. You can learn things like unlocking, FRP bypass, and troubleshooting. You can also become an Android developer, and you can earn your certification as an Android developer here, and you can even get your apps published in Google Play. You can also take the Google certification course. We're going to talk more about that when we get into the Android developer course. If you're interested in developing apps for iPhone, we also have iOS App Developer, where you can become an iOS developer and start building apps for Apple iPhone and other iDevices. You can even get your apps published in the App Store. We also have a free course here at PhonLab, which is our Chromebook Support course. So if you're interested in seeing how online learning works here at PhonLab, you can go ahead and sign up for our Chromebook Support course, and you can learn how to firmware restore Chromebooks along with troubleshooting common problems. Now, if you keep scrolling down here, you're going to see a lot of other information, things that are very important when you're choosing online learning. Things like live instructors, remote online assistance, code review, and current trends in training. This is very important because what we teach here at PhonLab is relevant and it's new. So you're going to learn the latest techniques and trends for whatever course that you choose. Now, you can also get certified here at PhonLab. If you do take our smartphone tech course, which is over 300 video and learning guides, you can earn your certification so that when your customers come into your cell phone shop, they know that you are professionally trained and certified to perform some of the repairs that you're going to learn. Now, we also have an app developer course here, all of the app developer courses, and we're going to get into those in a minute. And we also have the latest news here. So here is a blog that we publish bi-monthly here at PhonLab, and we have a lot of good information on here. We have an article here on MotoReaper, which is a very popular tool that we have here at PhonLab. It can remove FRP on any Motorola device. So we also have other information. If you work in a cell phone shop, we're going to teach you how to upsell software support to customers and generate new revenue streams. We also have an article here on the delicate art of network unlocking. So let's scroll back up to the top here, and we're going to take a look at our catalog. Now, if you go into our catalog here, as I mentioned here at the beginning of the video, we have 4 courses: Smartphone Tech, Chromebook Support, Apple App Developer, and Android App Developer. Let's go ahead and click on Android App Developer, and it's going to take you over to this page. Now, each page is going to talk about the benefits of online learning for that particular course. Here at PhonLab with app development, we like to learn, plan, develop, and review so that you can get the most out of your app development online here at PhonLab. Now, with the Android App Developer, we're going to teach you things like XML basics, Java basics. We have 5 portfolio apps, including object-oriented programming, and you're also going to learn about Firebase and publishing your app in Google Play. Now, this is brought to you by one of our instructors here, Michael Highsmith, who is a seasoned Android developer. He knows all about the process, and he's very good at what he does. So if you want to sign up for this course, it's just $35 a month. Now, we do have an early access code here that you can use, and it's going to save you $10. So you can actually get the course for just $25 by using early access when you enroll. When you click enroll here, it's going to take you to a screen. You can go ahead and enter that code in. Okay, now we're going to head down to Apple App Developer, and we're going to talk about developing apps for iPhone. Now, developing apps for iPhone, or any app development for that matter, is usually you can learn those things over at appledeveloper.com or androiddeveloper.com, and those are good. Those are good courses, but what we teach you is going to jumpstart your career in developing apps. We teach what is relevant, what is new. All the things that we teach are the latest techniques. So we're not going to teach you something that might be old and outdated and isn't really going to jumpstart your career as an app developer. So you're going to learn everything in here, from Xcode basics to setting up Xcode, terminal and CocoaPods, to securing your app and building your first app. And it's all brought to you by GeoSnOw, who is a security researcher and seasoned PhonLab instructor. You can catch him online in a number of our courses in smartphone tech with respect to jailbreaking and iCloud. Now, this course is just $35 a month, and we do have codes that are going to save you some money. So if you would like a code to save you money on your first month at Apple App Developer, just send us an email, phonelabtech@gmail.com, and then we'll go ahead and send that code out to you, and you can get this course for just $25 a month as well. Okay, now we're going to head down here to our Chromebook Support course, and we're going to talk about our free course. This is very popular here at PhonLab because it's going to give you an idea of how this course works. It's brought to you by a Root Junkie, who's well known on YouTube and is involved in everything here at PhonLab. Tom is just a great guy, and he provides an absolutely awesome course. So if you're interested in a free course here at PhonLab, go ahead and sign up for the Chromebook Support course. It's free, and it will teach you everything from firmware restores to Chromebook flags and advanced settings, to turning on developer mode, and even dual booting Chrome OS and Linux. And then we even have courses built in to all of our PhonLab courses. So whenever you take any of our courses, there are quizzes in there, and there is also a final exam. And finally, that brings us to our E-Campus or smartphone tech course. Now, this course has been around since PhonLab launched back in 2015, and it really is the best resource for any cell phone shop or anybody interested in starting their own cell phone repair business. We cover everything, and this is software side. So we're not teaching you how to replace displays. We're teaching you the most popular repairs out there, things like unlocking, FRP removal, advanced troubleshooting, data recovery, how to use commercial unlocking equipment like Z3X, Octoplus, XTC clip, BST dongle, and more. We've got it all right here at PhonLab in our smartphone tech course. And of course, we have testimonials of folks that have been through the course and who are certified. Now, this course is just $39 a month, and we can save you a lot of money if you sign up for annual, which is just $360 a year. And let me tell you, we update this quite often. So if you're working in a cell phone shop, or if you're thinking about starting your own business, we're going to take you from A to Z. What I mean by that is we're going to teach you everything. We're even going to teach you how to do remote unlocks online, and we have business startup guides as well if you're just starting out and you want to start your own business. Now, we do have a blog here at PhonLab, like I mentioned at the top of the video, where you can get information on some of the things that we have here at PhonLab, like MotoReaper. We even have a GalaxyReaper FRP removal tool, and a lot of other interesting articles as well. So if we head over here to PhonLab, once you get logged in, it is going to show you all the courses that you have in your library and your completion rate. Now, you want to watch the videos all the way from the beginning all the way to the end, or you're not going to get credit for them. And that's very important if you're taking a course like the E-Campus Smartphone Tech course, so that once you finish, you can submit to get certified as a smartphone tech. Now, what does a course look like? Well, when you start the lecture, it's going to start out at 0%. Now, as you go through each of these videos, this percentage is going to go all the way up until you complete the course, and then it will be at 100%. Now, if we wanted to click on a particular course, we click Start, and you can jump around. So you can go from video to video if you want, and it is basically going to walk you through everything you need to do. Now, here is how to disable driver signature enforcement. If you have something that has a video in it, we're going to go over here to USB debugging mode, and you can go ahead and click play. The video will play.
Hello and welcome to
Now, when the video plays, there's also some other information in here. We have downloads. With a smartphone tech course, we even have, and one of our most popular things with smartphone tech course is our PhonLab file repository. We have one of the largest file repositories out there. So if you are a smartphone tech, or if you're taking our Unlocker course and you need files, we have a ton of files for you that are priceless, especially when you're doing unlocking. So that is another valuable resource here at PhonLab. Now, once you complete everything, once you complete a certain section, there will be a quiz. So if we click on the quiz here, it will go ahead and ask you a question, and you can check your answer all the way to the end where the final test is. And we'll go ahead and scroll all the way down here. And you can see at the end, it will give you congratulations. And usually when you complete a course, you may or may not get another code to save you money on another course that you might want to take here at PhonLab. So we do recommend that you stay enrolled and stay knowledgeable here at PhonLab. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Thank you for joining us. And make sure that you sign up today for our Android app developer course. Remember the early access code fee. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.